How to fix Snapchat story not posting on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat story not posting on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down and here you will find apps and now apps again, and here scroll all the way down until you find Snapchat. Click on it and here you will find storage. Click storage and then click clear cache and then click force stop. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and then click update here, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.